Hi friends, when we watch movies with great VFX effects, we feel like, wow, what a feast to our eyes. Amazing scenes, breathtaking shots, what a fabulous movie. That is what we think, right? Who is behind it? The VFX teams who put their blood and sweat to arrange this feast to our eyes. So, first, let us appreciate the VFX teams, those who are working day and night to give us an exciting experience through various movies. Guys, in this video, we are gonna learn the steps or processes that VFX teams follow while making a movie. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to our SciTechWiz channel. Please click like button. Please express your opinions in the comments section. Let us go to the topic. VFX, movie visual effects, involve a complex and iterative process that combines artistic creativity with technical expertise. While the exact steps can vary depending upon the project and studio, I'll try to give a general overview of the typical stages involved in creating VFX for a movie. Okay? Step number one in the process: concept and pre-production. The VFX supervisor collaborates with the director and the production team to determine the VFX requirements for the film. Storyboards, concept art, and pre-visualization are created to visualize the intended VFX shots. Guys, pre-visualization is called as previs or previs in shortcut. So, the VFX team analyzes the script and identifies the shots that really require visual effects. Number 2, production. Filming takes place on set, and the VFX team works closely with the production crew to capture the necessary elements for the VFX shots. The VFX team may use various techniques during production, such as motion capture, green screens, and tracking makers to capture the data and reference for the VFX shots. Next, data acquisition. Any required data for the VFX shots, such as camera tracking data or 3D scanning of sets or actors, is required during this stage. A photogrammetry may be used to capture real-world objects or environments in 3D for integration into the VFX shots. Next, asset creation. What is it? The VFX team creates digital assets, including 3D models, textures, and props based on the requirements of the VFX shots. Digital characters, creatures, and environments may also be created during this stage. This is called asset creation. Next comes animation and rigging. If the VFX shots involve animated characters or creatures, the team animates them using various techniques such as keyframe animation or motion capture. Rigging is done to create a control system for the characters or creatures, allowing animators to manipulate their movements. Next, simulation and effects. The VFX team simulates various natural or fantastical phenomena such as fire, water, smoke, or destruction to enhance the realism or impact of the shots. Particle systems, fluid simulations, and dynamic simulations are commonly used for all these effects. Next comes compositing. Compositors are doing this. So in this stage, the various elements such as live action footage, CG assets and effects are combined and integrated into the final shot. Green screens are replaced, CG elements are added, and lighting or color grading adjustments are made to ensure visual coherence. So in fact, this is the real final stage. The compositing is the real final stage in VFX, I can say. But after that, rendering. The composited shots are rendered, which involves the calculation of the final image based on the lighting, textures, and other parameters. This can be a time-consuming process as it requires significant computational power. Review and iteration. The VFX shots are reviewed by the director and the VFX supervisor, and any necessary changes or enhancements are identified. Iterations may be required to refine the visual effects and achieve the desired look. So, iteration process is crucial in VFX departments. Okay. So, final delivery. The completed VFX shots are integrated into the final edit of the movie. The VFX team ensures that the shots are properly integrated and the visual effects are seamless and enhance the storytelling. So guys, throughout all these stages, collaboration, communication, and problem solving are crucial as VFX teams work closely with directors, cinematographers, and other departments to achieve the desired visual effects for the film. So guys, whenever we are watching a movie, we are just telling that, wow, what a great VFX. Wow, computer graphics are great in this movie. That is what we say. But behind that, these are all stages that they follow. Any matured VFX organization, that they follow all these steps or processes to make the movie as a visual feast to us. So once again, let us appreciate the VFX teams, those who are working for various films and aspiring VFX teams. Let us say all the best to all of them, and let us learn a lot about VFX in our SciTechWiz channel. Even few more techniques, few more words, a new terminology we are going to discuss in SciTechWiz channel. So guys, please do subscribe our SciTechWiz channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.